So on the PDP level, I wish I can get more information to give Wike to continue fighting, to say not able to give up, so that they will be fighting and the Labour Party will win in the election, because that is only savior we have, and that is the only person that have agenda. Every other person that win, if it's not P2B, it will be business as usual.
Let's hear from Stenjabam, joining us from the UK.
In regards to Wike and River State, we did meeting with the governor of with the APC aspirant, presidential aspirant in France or London, wherever they met. I think it's all about what we've discussed previously about Wike target to possibly take a down look approach in PDP and try to, as much as possible, to encourage maybe APC having 25% 25% vote in River State. But it's not hard enough to me, because most members of the APC in River State are actually decamping from APC to PDP. And it, like, on a weekly basis, there's always a decampee from not just any person, but high-profile individuals who are managing the party in River State are actually moving from APC to PDP on a weekly basis. I don't know if you've been following the trend, but I've been following the trend, and it's not something nice about, especially for the fact that APC has a governorship candidate, they have an House of Assembly candidate, they have a House of Reps and Senate. So why are they moving? So, and now the governor is now obnobbing with that same party, where he is actually trying to attract them to PDP. At the same time, he's obnobbing with that same party. On what basis? And the presidential election comes first. If the presidential election comes first, it has a ripple effect on how the voting pattern will look like in the governorship election. So it might be, at the end of the day, it might hurt him. I've looked at it. I don't understand the rationale behind it. If it might hurt him, because if the presidency goes to APC, there might be like, okay, let's go with the winning party. And at the end of the day, PDP, he might lose out at the end of the day in the state, because 2 weeks is a short time to sometimes correct some of those major damages that you might have done to your party without you realizing that you have done those damage to the party. Even if I see, okay, let's say it gets 25%, so what? But I don't see even that happening, because River State to be a battleground between APC and PDP. Why am I saying so? For PDP, most of the grassroots politicians, Wike is a grassroots politician, but this grassroots politician is in Obiakpo. Person like Austin Okpara is a grassroots politician, and this grassroots politician is in Port Harcourt local government. Somebody like Lee Imabe, you had the other time, Senator Lee Imabe, is a grassroots politician, and his own is in Ogoni Hazis. So somebody like Uche Secondus is a grassroots politician, and his own is in Andoni Hazis. Somebody like Senator George Sekibo is a grassroots politician as well. He's in Ogubolo. Somebody like, what's it called? Dr. Abie Sekibo is a grassroots politician in Okrika. And we have them spread across, because River State is made up of several ethnic coloration, just like Nigeria. So we have them spread across. Is it going? It's not. I don't see him. He can't beat anybody, and everybody will fall in line. It doesn't work that way in River State. It doesn't work that way. So I see him fighting a lost battle. I just see him fighting a lost battle. I don't see where this battle will take him to. I doubt if it will take him to anywhere. Rather, it will just end up destroying the little strength he has. It will end up destroying the little strength he has in River State. Seriously, and I wish he could just look at it all over. And the best I would advise him to do was to take a sit-down approach. But if he says he wants to fight the party, then he's definitely going to have a tough time, because these guys are now coming back together. Just from, if you listen to him recently, he was saying it, that they were having a meeting in Abuja, and he was mentioning Uche Secondu's name. So that means Uche Secondus is actually hosting them. And Uche Secondus is a grassroots politician. He's a core politician in River State. You can't take it away from him. He has been there from PDP from the start to presently, even in regard to whatever Wike might have done to him. Okay, talking about all these issues, Wike contributed to these issues. He was the one that fought Uche Secondus out and requested that the party chairman should be zoned to the north. Now the party chairman has been zoned to the north, and the north has used it to their favor. to be the president's presidential ticket. Now you're not coming back to now cry over spilled milk. We should forget about it and move on. That is my advice for him. Thank you very much for the platform.